Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from Group T have made an English learning video with the name we made, namely software and operating system.
Software and operating system. 1. Definition of software. Software is a special term used for formatted data and stored digitally, which includes computer programs, their documentation, and all information that can be written and read by computers. Software can also be referred to as part of the system in a computer that does not have a tangible form, as it is used to highlight the difference between the term of software and computer hardware. Because it is said to be software, the software has very different properties from hardware. If the hardware is a real device, it can be seen with the clear eye, as well as can be held directly, so it does not apply to software, because software cannot be physically touched and seen, although the software is not visible in physical form, but the software can be run and operated properly. 2. Function of the software. The main function of the software are 1. Processing certain data, commands or instructions so that it will produce useful information desired by the user. 2. As a means of interaction to connect user with hardware and the computer. 3. Kind of software. Here are some kind of software or software. 1. Paid software. As the name implies, this software requires user to pay a certain price if they want to enjoy the benefit of the device. Even if you have or paid for the device, you will not be granted a license to make copy of it and distribute it to other computer users. Example: Microsoft Windows, Adobe Photoshop, CorelDRAW, Microsoft Office, and others. 2. Freeware. Free software that does not limit its user to use it anytime. Software like this generally dedicated to certain communities, but copyright is maintained so that anyone can update the latest software. Example: Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, WhatsApp, Telegram, Skype, CC Cleaner, Adobe Flash Player, Use Browser, and YouTube Downloader. 3. Free software. Unlike freeware, free software requires user to buy the device first, but after that, you are free to copy, modify, or even distribute it. Example: FreeBSD, OpenOffice, MySQL, NewBSD, and Opera. 4. Shareware. This software is also free. It's just that there is a time limit for its use, and if the user want to enjoy the feature in it without time limit, then the user must buy it first. The function of the time limit is so that the user can find on the various advantages and functions it offers, or in this case it is called the trial period. This software can also be used for free. Unfortunately, there is a time limit for its use. There is the difference with freeware, which can be used forever without an expiration date. Example: PDM, StyleXP, WinRAR, Windows Plains, and Nero 7. 5. Malware. Malware is software created for the purpose of infiltrating certain computers, or can even be used to damage systems in computer networks. In short, this malware is software that can interfere with other computer devices. It is usually used by some bad people to camouflage the website bank and then redirect it to a phishing or fake bank site, so that all customers that can be stolen with the help of the malware. Example: spyware, adware, and barcode software. 6. Open source software. Free software and the code in the making of the tool can be studied, modified, or even distributed according to the term or ethic that have been set in the tool. And usually, the device is used by a special community. Example: Linux. 7. Firmware. Firmware is software in the form of memory read-only of storage that can only be read. It is patented so it cannot make modification or developments even if there are programs in its function. In general, firmware has been embedded and integrated with one hardware device such as electronic device, telecommunication equipment, and other computer hardware components, so that the firmware by some experts is not considered complete software. The following are some category and example of software. 1. Software system. Software that is used as an operating system in a computer to manage hardware and software, research, and provide information to user. Example: Linux, Mac, and Windows. 2. Browser software. To find certain information needed on the internet. Example: Opera Mini, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Chrome, and Use browser. 3. Microsoft Office. Software created and designed specifically to support work in office or schools. Example: Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Publisher. 4. Paint software. Software that has a function as an image or design processor. Example: CorelDRAW, Adobe Photoshop, Paint, and Paint.net. 5. Antivirus software. Protect the system from various virus attacks. Example: AVG, Norton, Face, Smartdev, and others. 4. Software components. 1. Operating system. The first software that will be read by the computer output time is the basis for operating the computer as well as being the main component in a system software. Example: DOS, Windows, Linux, Novell, Sunsoft, Unix, and others. Kind of Windows: Windows 3.11, Windows 98, Windows ME, Windows 95, Windows 2000, Windows 2005, Windows 2000 Server, Windows XP, Windows 8, Windows Vista, Windows 2010, Windows 2030. Various Linux OS: Ubuntu, Microtik, Debian, Red Hat, SUSE, and others. 2. Edition program. Definition: system software with certain functions. For example, to check for damage, dissect hardware, manage hard disk refills. Example: Norton Utility. 3. Computer language. Definition: the language used to create a computer program. It is called a computer language because it has vocabulary and grammar that must be obeyed by every user so that it will not cause errors. Here are two levels of computer language. Low-level language is a low-level language because the language is difficult to understand and can only be understood by the author. Example: machine language and assembly language. 2. High-level language. It is a high-level language because it uses vocabulary that is easy for others used to understand. Example: COBOL, Pascal, database, Visual Basic, C++, Fortran, and others.
4. Application program is ready-to-use software that will be used to help carry out a job by the user. This application exists because it is needed by the user. The types of application program can be divided into word processing, a program used to edit a script. Example, Microsoft Word, WordStar, WordPad, Quart, AB Word, Notepad. Spreadsheet program, a program that is used to process data in column. Example, Microsoft Excel, Lotus 123, Lotus Improv, Symfony. Presentation processing application program, an application program that is used to create a presentation design in the form of a slide that is used to present something in a meeting. Example, Microsoft PowerPoint, OpenOffice Impress, Keypresenter, or Keynote. Multimedia application program, software used to connect computer with multimedia equipment such as audio or video or image. Example, Windows Media Player, Winamp, DVD Player, Zoom. Graphic design application program, a program that functions to create or design a building, an object in the form of a building room, a city map, and much more. Example, Photoshop, PhotoPaint, CorelDRAW, Picasa, and others. Antivirus, a program that serves to detect and eliminate viruses that exist or are infected on the computer that is being used. Example, Avast, Avira, Smadoff, Kaspersky, Norton Antivirus, AVG Free, MCA Free, PCMouth, Norton Internet Security, Norton 360, Note 32, and others. 5. Software benefits. Commercial software is divided into 3 in terms of needs, including the following. 1. Software as a product. Software or software with the purpose of making it for sale to the public or companies that need it. Example, cash register system, postal system or point of sale, financial system, library application, calculator. 2. Software as a business. Software that is used to provide continuous income through the business line, made by emphasizing an approach to the people so that they can provide service or service that can be used by other parties by paying a license or rent. 3. Software as a project. Software that is worked on by an individual or company to be used as a project to earn income. This project exists only when there is a request from the buyer. And when the software is successfully made, the software automatically becomes the property of the buyer. Software refers to parts of the computer which do not have a material form, such as programs, data, protocols, and others. When software is stored in hardware that cannot easily be modified, or such as BIOS, ROM in an IBM PC compatible, it is sometimes called firmware to indicate that it falls into an uncertain area somewhere between hardware and software. Operating system software. The operating system is a special type of program that runs automatically when you start your computer. The operating system allows you to use the advanced features of a modern computer without having to learn all the details of how the hardware works, the link between the hardware and you. The user makes the computer easy to use without having to understand bits and bytes. Application software. An application program is the type of program that you use once the operating system has been loaded. Example include word processing programs, spreadsheets, and databases. Example application: Microsoft Office, payroll, presentation tools, Microsoft PowerPoint, desktop publishing, Adobe Photoshop, multimedia applications, Microsoft Encarta CD-ROM base, encyclopedias. Example application: 1. Information work software. Example: enterprise resource planning, accounting software. 2. Data management. Example: contact management, spreadsheet, personal database. 3. Documentation. Example: document automation or assembly, word processing, desktop publishing software. And 4. Banking software.